Wala kasi yung ano dito eh. Saan ba kasi yung ano dito? Wala oh. Wala talaga ibang ano rito, guys. Hindi ko makita. Wala dito. Ano to? I start a poll. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Ayan, okay lang ba? Alfred! How are you? How are you, Alfred? Big shout out, Alfred S. Arts. Nice to have you here. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Iano ko nga to kung ano, hello, Alfred. Nice to see you here again. Ulitin natin ang ano, ang ating ano. Ayun. Yeah, it's been a long time. Yeah, thank you for ano, for joining Alfred SR. So where are you now? It's been a long time. Sorry. So I have headache the whole day. So it's cause of our hot weather here at Philippines. So I took medicine and I sleep a bit, take a nap, and then I go live like that. You're back here at Manila? When? You're just back. You just got home at Manila. Is that it? Are you okay? Are you still okay? Very hot weather here. Yeah, we have a very hot weather. It's summertime here, right? So be careful and take care. We have a very hot weather. So how are you, Alfred S. Arts? I'm very happy to see you here again. Hi! How are you? It's been a long time. Yeah, it's been a long time. You're not joining, huh? Can you like our live? Zairulia. Zairulia, hi.